Hi there, I'm Jonathan, and welcome to Vision Board 2024, the series where we'll be kickstarting the new year by turning our dreams into reality. Today, we're diving into the first step of this exciting journey.
No, really, and ask God for some help. That's the way you make it in life. If you don't have vision boards, let me explain something to you. Let me explain something. People do not understand this. If you do not have it written down, your chances of it happening is reduced drastically because it's a principle of success. You have to have everything you want written.
To meet the vibration, you can't be above or below it. It's just what I was talking about, negative energy, positive energy. In order to draw the thing to you that you want to come, you can't want it so much that you fear that you won't get it. You have to want it. So in order for me to be on your vision board, you must have put it there and then you let it go.
Yes.
And then you weren't thinking about it every day, because you can't, it doesn't come to you that way. You have to do it, and then you have to put it, and then you have to meet that vibration. You have to prepare yourself to be there and ready when it shows up, and you were.
Now, you might have heard of vision boards before. These powerful tools that help us manifest our goals and aspirations. Celebrities like Oprah Winfrey, Steve Harvey, and even Ellen DeGeneres have mentioned the powerful impact that vision boards had on their success. Before we dive in, let's talk about what vision boards are. They're like a visual roadmap for your dreams and goals. Whether you're aiming for personal growth, a successful career, or even a happier life, vision boards can be your guide. Now, some folks prefer the tactile experience of cutting paper from magazines, using scissors and glue to create a vision board, but I prefer to do mine digitally. But feel free to choose the method that resonates with you. Time for step 1. Identifying old habits. What are some things you'd like to leave behind in 2023? This isn't about judgment, it's about growth. Identifying these habits is the first step towards a positive change. Throughout your day and this week, I would like you to identify some of the habits that you realize are keeping you back from being the person that you want to be. Jot them down in your journal or use a note app on your phone to keep track of these for our next episode. Next is reflecting on your goals. Take a moment to think about what you'd like to achieve in 2024. It can be personal, professional, and even spiritual. All of these can benefit and work together in the long run. Identify what are your wildest dreams and what are some steps to turn it into a reality. After you've done this, we're on to the next step, creating categories and themes. Create categories or themes for your vision board. Maybe you will have a career section, a personal life section, and a financial section. Some people may go with a physical route, a spiritual route, and a mental route. It is all up to you. You are in control. Doing this step can help you bring structure to your vision board and organize all areas of your life. Last step for this episode is getting your materials. Throughout this week, I want you to venture if you're doing your vision board physically. Go for a walk and see some newspapers or magazines, or print out a few photos of things you'd like to achieve or you want to be part of your reality in 2024. If you're going digital like me, collect images, quotes, and anything that resonates with you and your goals. Next week, we'll jump into the creative process of turning these visions into a reality. That's it for this week's episode. Reflect on your goals, identify those old habits, and start organizing your vision board categories. Remember, this is your journey, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our next episode. I'm Jonathan, and I'll be right here waiting for you next week.